This one simple change helped our dealers increase their monthly leads by an average of 31% while spending less on marketing. And no, it wasn't slashing prices, hiring more salespeople, spending more on Google Ads, redesigning their website, getting better at social media, focusing on a new car line, or spending more time at work. In fact, these dealerships are working fewer hours while selling more vehicles than ever before. They've discovered a fundamental shift in how automotive retail works in the AI age, and it's something most dealers won't figure out until their competitors have already taken their market share. I'm not just making this up. For the past 19 years, our marketing solutions have reached thousands of dealers across almost every brand coast to coast. We've created over 3,500 customer acquisition funnels that have generated hundreds of thousands of leads, millions of views, and billions with a B of dollars in sales. So what's this secret that's transforming dealerships across the country? It's actually quite simple once you see it. These dealers stopped treating their monthly sales cycle like a random collection of activities and started treating it like a systematic, day-by-day process powered by AI. Think about it. Every month, your dealership goes through the same 30-day cycle. You get new inventory, new incentives from the manufacturer, you build campaigns, generate leads, follow up, and then push to hit your numbers before the month ends. Most dealers approach this cycle with fragmented tools and disjointed strategies. One company handling your website, another managing your advertising, a third for email marketing, your CRM that doesn't talk to any of them, and salespeople trying to manually bridge all these gaps. The results? Wasted ad spend, missed opportunities, leads that fall through the cracks, and a constant feeling that you could be selling more cars if only everything worked together. But what if there was a system? A complete day-by-day blueprint that aligned your entire operation around the natural 30-day sales cycle of your dealership. The dealers who are seeing these remarkable results have implemented what we call the official 30 Days to Sell Cars action plan. It's not just another marketing tool. It's an entire system that transforms your dealership's monthly cycle into a precision-engineered selling machine. Here's how it works. For each day of the month, there's a specific proven action plan for your dealership, from setting targeting goals on day 1 to launching your trade-in campaign on day 6 to 10, running your appointment blitz on day 17 to 20, and executing your month-end push on days 26 to 30. But what makes this truly revolutionary is that the entire system is powered by AI. This isn't your typical AI washing where companies slap the term on their same old tools. This is cutting-edge artificial intelligence that makes thousands of micro-optimizations to your marketing every single day. While you and your team focus on selling cars and delivering exceptional customer experiences, our AI is testing hundreds of ad variations to find what works best for your inventory. It's personalizing messages to every customer based on their behavior, automatically shifting budgets to the campaigns that are performing, ensuring no leads ever fall through the cracks, targeting specific VINs that need more visibility, and constantly learning from the results to get better over time. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This sounds great, but my dealership is different. We have unique challenges and specific ways of doing things. That's exactly why this system works so well. It's not rigid or a one-size-fits-all approach. It adapts to your dealership's unique situation. I'm excited to introduce the Turbo AI Tri-Core Customer Acquisition Engine. Let me tell you about one of our clients, a dealer principal in the state of Washington, who was skeptical at first. His dealership was doing okay, around 75 units a month, but he was constantly frustrated by his marketing. He was spending more and more on advertising, but seeing fewer results. His team was working harder than ever, but leads weren't converting like they used to. Sounds familiar? He decided to give our system a try, but he made it clear, I don't have time to learn a whole new way of doing business. The beauty was he didn't have to. We implemented our system while his team kept doing what they do best, talking to customers and selling cars. Within the first 30 days, he noticed something different. His showroom was constantly busy, not just during the last week of the month. His sales team was spending time with qualified buyers instead of chasing leads that went nowhere. And by day 28, they had already surpassed their previous month's sales. By the end of 90 days, his dealership was selling 112 monthly units, a 49% increase, while actually spending less on advertising than before. The secret? Every aspect of his dealership was now aligned around a proven day-by-day system that leveraged AI to optimize every customer touchpoint. Here's what makes this system different from anything else you've ever tried. 1. A comprehensive integration. Most dealerships use 7 to 10 different tools that don't talk to each other. Our system brings everything together: your data, your marketing, your follow-up, your sales process into one cohesive ecosystem. 2. Day-by-day blueprint. Instead of random marketing activities, you get a precise playbook for each day of the month. Your entire team knows exactly what to focus on and how to eliminate guesswork and wasted efforts. 3. AI-powered execution. While you focus on running your dealership, our AI Customer Accelerator Platform handles the complex optimization of your marketing. It makes thousands of adjustments daily that would be impossible manually, ensuring you're always getting the most bang for your buck. 4. Immediate results. We don't just give you a system and wish you luck. In month 1, we launch a done-for-you quick win campaign that delivers an immediate surge of qualified leads so you start seeing results right away. 5. Guaranteed performance. This isn't just another expense for your dealership. It's an investment with a guaranteed return. If you don't see the results we promise, you won't pay. It's that simple. So here's our offer. We will install our Turbo AI tri-core customer acquisition engine in your dealership and double your leads while helping you sell an additional 30 vehicles, or you won't pay. For 12 weeks, you'll have everything you need to transform your dealership's performance. Our official 30 Days to Sell Cars action plan, customized for your dealership, a done-for-you quick win campaign that launches within days for immediate results, access to our AI-powered Customer Accelerator Platform that optimizes your advertising 24/7, complete training and support for your team, and regular optimization and reporting to ensure you're hitting your targets. All we ask is that you follow the system, complete the worksheets, implement the protocol, and let our Turbo AI do its work. This isn't for everyone. We can only work with a limited number of dealerships in each market, and these spots are filling in quickly. If you're ready to stop the cycle of fragmented marketing and start selling more cars with less effort, click the button below now to schedule your demo. During this call, we'll analyze your current situation, explore how our system can be customized for your specific dealership, and map out what your first 30 days would look like. Remember, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Either we double your leads and help you sell an additional 30 vehicles, or you won't pay. Click the button below, schedule your demo, and let's start transforming your dealership's performance today.